Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're gonna learn how to make changes on your video preferences on TikTok. I mean, if you can filter the videos that TikTok is showing to you. It's really simple. First of all, you must go to your profile and then you're gonna click on the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines on top of your screen, and now settings and privacy. Here, almost in the middle of my screen right now, I have the content preferences. So I have three options here. The first one is filter video keywords. So when you filter a keyword, you won't see videos in your For You or following feeds that contain that word in the video's description or stickers. Certain keywords can't be filtered. Okay, so you must have that in account. So I'm gonna write, for instance, I don't know, homophobic. So I can select if I just filter this from this section, For You section, and save it. And obviously I have filtered that word and I can add as many keywords as I want. The second option is the restricted mode. So limit videos that may be inappropriate for some people. So if some people have made click in the inappropriate option on a video, probably that video is not going to be shown to you either. So you can turn on or off this setting at any time. And last, if you perhaps have blocked an account or something like that, they're gonna appear your hidden accounts. Okay, so videos uploaded by those accounts that you hide will not appear in your For You or following feeds. And that's the way how you can configure the video preferences on TikTok.